We learned today when studying global food security that a third of all food sadly is wasted. Oftentimes the technology and the machinery that harvests food in the fields doesn't always grab and pluck all of the vegetation and the potatoes and the various things that are being harvested, and usually grabs the upper top 2/3 of the potatoes and the different crops, and thereby leaves the lower portion. And some nonprofits are helping with food banks to glean the portions of the food that are being left in the fields, which is a good thing, but still on a global scale, and certainly across the United States, a third of food's being wasted. Sometimes the expiration dates are not entirely accurate by the manufacturers, hit the grocery stores, and a lot of food unnecessarily is being wasted. It needs to be donated to food banks. There are some now fast food and other types of apps that are making food available to others after large events like the Super Bowl, where high quality food is not fully consumed, and thereafter it's being donated to food banks and to the homeless and others in need, which is a step in the right direction, but we need far more on a global scale. So this is just one of many ways we can ensure global food security on a worldwide scale, to teach others in the nations of the world to also use smaller plates or less trays, and only eat what they intend to consume, or only take rather what they intend to consume when grabbing food at a restaurant, lest they unnecessarily waste food that they do not intend to eat or overindulge, as UCLA, the university, has found, as well as UC Santa Barbara, when they reduced the quantity on the plate. They let kids take as many plates as they want, but they removed the trays to avoid overconsumption. So many different things we discussed today: hydroponics, aeroponics. Hydroponics allows you to produce more as far as quantity, but then, or rather, hydroponics allows more diversity. Aeroponics, greater quantity. And we watched some videos on that topic, which is rather interesting. Great innovations in the Netherlands, as well as in Singapore, where they're using that technology. So much to be learned from the nations of the world.